there are three primary roles that AI can play for you: the creator, the analyst, and the sounding board. Hey, I'm Drew Thompson. I teach you how to use AI to sell smarter, market faster, and scale your business without burning out. And if you know me, I like to cut the fluff and get straight into it, so let's go. Thinking AI first means treating AI not as a tool that you occasionally pick up, but as your smartest, most capable co-pilot that's available 24/7. Now stay with me here, I'm sure you've heard this, but this is about leveraging the processing power of potentially the most informed mind that has ever existed to accelerate your day. So let me ask you a question. How do you actually do that for any given task? I've created a framework I want you to use. It's called the AI Copilot Checklist. So for absolutely anything you face, be it a business problem, a creative block, a difficult email, even mapping out steps for a personal goal, stop and ask, what role can my AI Copilot right now play to get me a better output faster? Let me just stop. I'm not talking about using Microsoft's Copilot because I think it's one of the worst products that ever has existed. I'm just saying using AI as your Copilot every single day. Now, when I think about the AI Copilot checklist, there are three primary roles that AI can play for you: the creator, the analyst, and the sounding board. The creator is thinking, can my AI Copilot generate an initial draft, brainstorm ideas, write the first version of a text, code, or visual? So here's an example. Instead of struggling with a blank screen, ask your AI Copilot to write 3 different versions based on your bullet points. They're going to give you better output faster. The next way we can use AI is as the analyst, and I want you to think like this. Can my AI Copilot summarize complex information, break down a difficult concept, or extract key data for me? For example, imagine you are trying to do market research or competitive research. You can feed all of this into something like Notebook LM, and you can ask it for your top 5 takeaways. This is how we have to start thinking AI first. The third part here is you can use AI as a sounding board, and I absolutely love this one. And you have to ask yourself, can my AI Copilot help me think through this problem and explore different angles that I haven't considered, and help me structure my thoughts on challenging an issue? Here's an example, right? If you're dealing with, let's say, a tough business decision or a personal challenge like a major life change, or just the stress that comes with being an entrepreneur, talk through it with your AI Copilot. Ask it to challenge your assumptions. Ask it to suggest alternative steps. It's going to help you get more progress. You're leveraging the smartest person that has ever existed in time, and it's not really a person at all. So applying this AI Copilot checklist, asking which of these 3 roles AI can play first for any task, this is the core of thinking AI first. And the reason you do this, because leveraging your AI Copilot leads directly to, number 1, getting a higher quality output first than you might from scratch. We all know we have writer's block, right? Now you're going to be able to have something get words on a page or start a strategy for you. Next, it's going to help you complete things significantly faster. Next, it's going to unlock insights that you might have missed. Remember, these AI bots and these tools are amazing at connecting dots that you can't see, so it can help you solve problems more effectively. To me, ultimately, all of this is helping you free up your time, which is going to boost your results, your career, your ability to focus on what truly matters. If you're an entrepreneur, what truly matters is building the relationships, not sitting there trying to figure out a best email sequence or a strategy. You need to put your time where it matters most. Now, don't get me wrong. You should still be focusing on the strategic parts of this, but you should be leveraging the smartest person in the room, which is generative artificial intelligence. This isn't just theory. This video has just given you a repeatable process. Now, over the next 4 videos in the playlist, I'm going to give you the rest of the blueprint. Next, I'm going to show you 3 specific AI tools you'll need to partner as your Copilot team. After that, I'm going to map out exactly how applying the AI Copilot checklist really saves you at least 5 hours a week. You don't want to miss that video. I'm going to cover the critical mistakes to avoid when working with your AI Copilot. And finally, I'm going to talk about building your personalized 30-day roadmap to fully integrate AI first thinking into daily operations. I'm super excited. Please stop doing it the hard way. Start applying AI first thinking right now. So the next video is going to be right here. Let AI help you achieve more. Again, it's not Microsoft. Just let AI help you achieve more. If you want the entire checklist on how to do this, I put it in a downloadable PDF right below. If you found value in this, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.